TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and I've been doing neural network artificial intelligence stuff for a long, long time, way back in the 90s. This was our forecast today for the NASDAQ. You can see we were selling it here, reversed to go long at 25,480, which was the low was 24,478. So that worked pretty good. I was following this all morning long with one of my very good friends. I want to get up here and show you where we were. This is where we were at the very beginning when we were doing the selling. And then, of course, we added to it as it started to come into play. And that's where we were when we got down here. We booked our profit at that point, and that's where we reversed and went long at that 24. I think that was it right here. This one, 25,478. So it's worked relatively well. Now, they don't always work that way, folks. That's the problem, is that when you're doing these things, you don't know whether they're going to work or not. Let's just get up here and see where we are right now with it. You can see it's still charging ahead here, and it's going up pretty good. There were a couple others in here I think I'll show you today, since I don't get a chance to do this very often. But you can see we're still moving quite a bit higher. We had a couple of really good trade setups for you folks today. I'll go over those for you in just a minute. But the Dow Jones is El Fuego, folks. It's up almost 500 points. The Dow Jones, folks, look at this. The Dow Jones, look at this, believe it or not, the Dow Jones is above, believe it or not, above the 78% level of our high way back here on the 27th. That's a very, very powerful thing, folks. So we're seeing these things moving. Another one that we had today that looked really interesting today was the gold market. You can see we had sold the gold up here at the 382 coming down, okay? And then, of course, we reversed and went long right here. This is where we put our reverse, where stock was now at break even back here at 410. And you can see we're starting to continue to go higher. That was another one that we were doing today. And all this is, folks, it just matches up what happened 2 or 3 days ago, moves out into the future, tells you whether you're going to be close or not. Doesn't always work. Today in the S&P, it was, you can see here, we'll just get this up here and take a quick look at it. It was nearly spot on also with the S&P, starting to move a great deal higher. But the best one that we had today was the crude oil that we set out in our little early morning blurb, because we had this ABCD pattern here, folks. And what I said, we got there, and I said, if you get to there, I said, you got to go long. I said, because that's a 382. There was another 382, another 382, another 382. We just hit just a little while ago. You'll see you put it in there. Excuse me. That